Welcome back to this video. If you use Telegram, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see some of the hidden features you probably don't know about Telegram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to open up my Telegram. Having opened up my Telegram, the very first trick I want to show you right here in this video, come to the search right here. And right here, what you need to do is to simply type in Converter. Then choose File Converter. Then right here, Telegram bot that convert for now audio file to voice, text messages, video to file to messages or note, video messages to note, etc. You can also convert photo to PDF or PDF to photo. What you need to do is to simply click on Start. Then send me a file to try to convert it to something better. What you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here to upload a file. Then you can upload picture and click on send. So let's take a look at another one I want to show you right here. So if you go back to your search right here and then you type in Truecaller. You have to click on Truecaller. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this one right here. What can this bot do? Research about unknown caller. Let our Truecaller bot unveil the mystery. Send any phone number and we will fetch the caller's details for you. Simply click on Start right here. Then right here, send me any phone number in international format to get this information. So this is a sample of how you need to send your phone number. Once you send the phone number, Truecaller here is going to tell you who is the person, the detail about the person that call you anonymously. This Truecaller is going to tell you. So this is the second one I want to show you. Let me quickly show you the very last one, which is also amazing. The another one I want to show you right here, if you click on this three slider right here, then you go to save messages. Then here you can forward messages here to save them, send media file and store them, access this chat from any device, use search to quickly find things. So right here you can make use of this particular icon to upload different type of file and save it in this particular section. And you can send as many as possible file right here and keep it right here. And the good thing about this is that you can easily access it anywhere from any device. It's as simple as that. So these are the amazing tricks I want to expose to you in Telegram. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.